there! In this lab video, JC is going to show you how to assemble our La Siesta hammock chairs like our Habana and Domingo models. Let's get started. To begin, let's unpack everything by opening the convenient cotton storage bag. If you ever need to stow your hammock chair, it really comes in handy. Today we have chosen a Habana hammock chair in king size, but the steps are exactly the same for all hammock chair sizes. Don't throw away the ties that have closed the fabric just yet. You can use them to wash your hammock chair tangle-free. To learn how, check out our lab video on how to wash your hammock chair. You'll find 3 elements in the bag: the large fabric seat, a bamboo spreader bar, and the corded upper swivel attachment made of stainless steel. Also included is your instruction manual to refer to the product information and instructions as needed. Before we start assembling, be sure to check all the cords. They are often twisted after being unpacked. To do this, I spread out the seat fabric. That way it's easy to see what cords need to be untwisted. We also do the same with the cords of the swivel attachment. Now we're ready to start assembling. First, we begin with the fabric seat. The loops may be a bit stiff after unpacking. In this case, you can squeeze them together, making it easier to attach them to the bamboo spreader bar. There is a notch at both ends of the bar. That's where the loops will be attached. Here comes an important point. You should always attach the loops from the fabric seat to the bar first, and then the loops from the swivel attachment on the outside. If you attach the loops the wrong way round, they may slip off the bar. Now that we have the fabric seat attached, we can add the suspension loops onto the bar as well. Initially, you may have to pull hard to stretch the ropes to fit all the way over the bar. The first time can be a bit tricky, so we recommend having someone help you with this. Now your hammock chair is assembled. All you need is a place to hang it. We recommend our Casa Mount suspension kit for walls or ceilings, our tree mount suspension kits for trees or beams, or one of our fantastic hammock chair frames. We hope this step-by-step video has helped you with assembling your La Siesta hammock chair. If you have any questions, just write them in the comments below. Hope to see you again soon, and happy hammocking!